There was definitely a time in my natural hair journey where I was completely okay with having wash day, have 50-11 steps, and take 50-11 hours, but I can safely say that that time has come and passed. I'm not talking about those moments where obviously you want to treat yourself and have a whole spa day and pamper yourself from head to toe. I'm not talking about those moments because that is definitely necessary every now and then. But I'm talking about those regular weekends or whatever day you wash your hair that you have other plans and you don't want to spend the entirety of your day working on your hair. So if you're looking for ways to kind of shorten your wash day, then I have a couple solutions for you, so let's get right into it. The first solution that I have for you to shorten your wash day is to skip deep conditioning. I honestly can't even believe I'm saying this because I was one of those people that I deep conditioned my hair every single time I washed my hair. But I'm starting to realize that it's not always necessary to do it every single wash day, especially if you wash your hair every week. I typically wash my hair every 2 weeks, and every single time I would deep condition even after putting conditioner in my hair. And it's just not necessary. For if your hair is in need of a treatment, if it's in need of deeper hydration, some extra strengthening, and it's something that you want to incorporate into your routine maybe once or twice a month, then absolutely that should be your opportunity to deep condition. I'm not saying that you should skip it forever, but I don't think it's something that is necessary for every single wash day, especially if you are crunched for time or you just don't want it to take forever. Then you really don't have to spend an extra 10 or 15 minutes sitting with deep conditioner in your hair. It's just not necessary. Trust me, a really good conditioner will suffice. The second solution that I have for you today to shorten your wash day is to not shampoo your hair twice. If you're using a really good quality shampoo and your hair is not that dirty to begin with, like if you're on top of your shampooing regimen, if you're on top of your wash day regimen, then your hair shouldn't be filthy dirty. So you don't really need to wash your hair twice in a row. I would wash my hair twice in a row strictly out of habit, not necessarily because my hair needed to be washed twice, because I'm pretty sure I'm getting the buildup and the product off of my scalp and my hair with just one go around, especially if I'm using like a quality concentrated conditioner. My hair is gonna get cleaned the first round. When my hair was like really thriving and was going through a really good period, I wasn't shampooing my hair twice in a row. I noticed the benefits in my hair because one, I'm not manipulating my hair so much. I'm not, you know, agitating my hair so many times because it's getting cleansed on the first go around. So if you don't feel like your hair is super dirty and you're just cleaning it, you're just shampooing it just for like maintenance and just for a refresh, then, you know, listen to your hair, look at your hair and your scalp. You'll know if your hair needs to be shampooed twice. If it's lathering really well, if, you know, like I said, if your shampoo is quality, if it's concentrated, it's going to get this, it's going to strip your hair and cleanse your hair the first go around. I can't speak for every shampoo, but if you need shampoo recommendations, I have a video on that. If I want to save a little bit of time on wash day, then I am not going to shampoo my hair twice in a row. Like, one time is good, rinse that out, put conditioner in, and keep it pushing, like I always say. Before I get into the final solution, let me know in the comments below if you have removed anything from your wash day routine that has shortened your wash day experience and made it a little bit easier for you. I would love to know, so leave a comment below. And finally, my last solution is to not section your hair in so many different sections. Y'all know I always part my hair in 4 sections because in the beginning of my natural hair journey, I tried to wash my hair in no sections at all, and I was left with a matted, tangled mess, and I just never did it ever again. But now that I'm like, what, 10 years in, I probably don't really need to section my hair into 4 sections. I'm probably never going to wash my hair all out in, you know, having my hair intertwined with other sections and all that. That's just like chaotic to me. So instead of shampooing my hair in 4 sections, my last wash day I just split my hair in half and had 2, and I felt like that was manageable for me. And I didn't have to repeat the same process 4 different times, and it just seemed a little bit smoother. If you're watching this video, then you're probably the type of person that doesn't want to spend 11 hours on your hair. I can totally relate, and protective styles, low manipulation styles are my go-to because they last all week long, and I don't have to worry about my hair or styling my hair when I'm trying to just get up and go for work. I just want to take my scarf off and go. So if you're looking for some styles, then definitely check out this video. It's just a couple flat twists in the front leading into a bun in the back. Super chic, super simple. And I have a whole playlist of low manipulation styles if you want to get into that as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end of this video. I love you for it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.